What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Um, Several people have asked me about the BMW wagon, the 3 Series wagon, and about it being on Bring a Trailer or Cars and Bids. Um, I was not able to document that. I thought I was going to be able to and do that, just do a full show you kind of how the steps and process you have to go through to do it. But with me living further away from the dealership and it was at my brother's place, I just enlisted him to do it. Besides, he needed to figure out how to do it anyway. So he did all the pictures, made the videos, and he did the application process. And I must say he's done a pretty good job for listing a car on auction. I've done a ton on eBay over the years. I've never done a Bring a Trailer or a Cars and Bids, but he did it and he did it successfully. So I'm proud of him. He did a good job. I'm going to show you guys here how to get to it on my iPad. The auction went live just a couple hours ago. I don't even know if we got a bid yet, so let's take a look and see. So anyway, let's look here at my iPad. Just going here to Safari. Oh, I already had it pulled up. Okay, so what you go to is carsandbids.com, and when you do that, let's say I'm gonna go to the home page. So carsandbids.com, just go to the little search box right there and just type in BMW. BMW, return. All right, and it will pull up an active list of their current BMWs they have for sale. And it looks like they've got about 15, okay. We can just scroll through and see, or the best way to find it is just hit right here where it says newly listed. Come on, get there. There it is. Oh, we got a bid, $7,000. 2011 BMW 328 xDrive, 6-speed, all-wheel drive, unmodified, Chattanooga, Tennessee. Just tap on it. I don't know why this is so big. There we go. And then there's 170 pictures to see. So we got a lot of pictures to look at. That lamp. Let me turn this lamp off. There we go. We're in the dark now. So, come on. There we go. Got 170 pictures. Let me tell you guys, we learned something about this car that we totally missed in our research and when buying this car. As a matter of fact, Cars and Bids, they are the ones that pointed it out to us. Isn't that a cool picture? That's the Chattanooga Aquarium right there in downtown. That's up on a top level of a parking deck, of course. Cars and Bids pointed out, why was the car imported from Germany to the United States in 2017? Question mark. We were like, huh? My brother and I were a little bit curious if it might have been part of a European delivery program type car because of the plate on the front, and there was a German, this decal is in German right here. It looks like some kind of parking decal. But it's the very first entry on the Carfax. We totally missed it. Totally missed it. It says 2017, imported down in Brunswick, Georgia from Germany. plain as day. Car went to Kentucky for a couple of years, and then it was sold to someone in Georgia, and they had it a couple of years, and then they traded it in. I can't remember where they traded this car in. Either the Honda store or the Acura store or something like that. And then they just sent it on to auction. But did we get enough exterior pictures? I would say so. But I just thought I'd scroll through them all here. You're probably all having epileptic seizures. Come on, get to the inside. Oh, so, my brother did a good job. Excuse my hand. My brother did a good job pointing out any flaws. See, like right there on the shark fin antenna, it's losing just a little paint. There's a spot right there by the garage door. Garage door. Jeez Louise. The gas door. There was a mark there. The car does have, luckily it has no dings or dents, but has just a few weird little marks like that here and there. One wheel has just a little bit of curb rash. These wheels are in really good shape considering the car's 10 years old. It's got nice Continentals on it. Okay, there's the interior. This interior is about as mint as you're going to find one. It shows nowhere whatsoever, except one, the passenger door grab handle is a little bit worn on the inside, so you can't see it, but you can feel it with your hand when you reach in there and close the door. There's a little scuff right there on the driver's seat bolstering. Not bad, just a little scuff. Could be fixed up with a little dye. I mean, if we were like a really big time dealer that specialized in this, we would have had that dyed, but we kind of sell our cars as we get them. I mean, we just clean them up, give them a bath. Not real big into making repairs. Like, we'll make repairs, but not like perfection type stuff, We don't, like semi-restore things. We just clean it as best we can, throw a coat of wax. If we got a big ding or a booger, we might get it fixed, but we're not going to fix every tiny little thing. We like to keep the car as honest as possible. The windshield is not cracked, even though that picture makes it look like it. But this car's loaded. It has everything, y'all. Everything. Fully loaded. And someone has already made a comment in the comments that this car was not available in the United States back then. Which I don't understand that. I thought a 6-speed manual was, but I think he might be talking about with all these options and all-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual. I don't know. I need to do a little more research. There's that wonderful inline 6. Oh, she's a baby doll. But anyway, underside's clean, typical. I mean, I guess cars don't rust in Germany, and certainly not in Kentucky and Georgia. There's just a little slight corrosion on a couple of bolt heads, like what you see there. That was probably picked up from the few years spent in Germany, but it is basically a rust-free car. I think that's the last picture. It sure was. I just showed you 170 pictures. But yeah, we've had one bid, $7,000. Seller, TurboTech. Come on, focus. I've got to get a new phone, y'all. My camera doesn't work anymore, but my video camera does. I can't press the little button that spins it from front to back camera anymore. That doesn't work anymore. There's a list of all the options. Adaptive headlights, panoramic roof, the sport seats in the front, heated front seats, nav, park distance control. known flaws, just a few little stone chips on the front, a few little scratches and chips around. There's some pitting on the 328i badge. The TPMS system is not working correctly. We didn't fool with that. I mean, it just needs a sensor replaced, or all of them. We're not sure. We're basically going to give her an oil change and a fresh service and send her with 2 keys. There is nothing wrong with the car. The car works perfect. And then we got 2 videos. There's my video, and then my brother's uploaded a couple there. And so anyway, if anybody's interested, there it is. Like I said, I wish I could have, maybe documented a little bit more of how you go about doing this. But it's, basically get your car clean, take a shitload of pictures in a cool spot, and fill out the application and hope they accept your car. Which, a 6-speed BMW wagon, we knew it would be accepted. The only problem is there's some waiting. I mean, we've had the car since September, so it's taken this long to go through the application process, get pictures. Some of it is our fault, but they're a little slow too because they've got a backlog of cars, and they like to list them at an exact timing. They like to time it just right. I think it's based on what other inventory they also have for sale. So anyway, that's how you do it, and that's it. If you're interested in the car, go to Cars and Bids, 2011 BMW xDrive 328i. Y'all go on there and bid. Buy the car. It is a sewing machine. It is such a dreamboat. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Like, comment, subscribe, and hey, share this one. If you know somebody looking for a really solid 328i, has 104K, so just over 100, but it really, really looks and drives and feels like about, 44K. I mean, it really, really does. It is just no leaks, no funny sounds, no worn out bushings. I mean, it is tight as a drum. So, share it with somebody if you know somebody looking for one. Y'all have a good day. Hell, this video is 12 minutes. Jeez, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.